kailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niyang matatalikdan? Ngunit kahit na malimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di mapapabayaan. Hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di mapapabayaan. Pababayaan, hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di pababayaan.
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. It's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears, and not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where
you are the product that's quiet, listening to me, and all that my sins of me. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since without you, mean more to me than you. Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one beyond your You are one of the few things worth remembering. And without you, how could anyone be more to me than you?
Dapat satu M kon, ni satu M. Oke deh, region Januari 2011 New Hinawaran.
Pabilin kang buhi sa among dugan, sa imong pagpanaw gumaang mi patigbabaw, mga pagampo nga maluwas ka ang imong pamilya, wa mag-inusara aniya kami imong mga higala. Pabilin kang buhi sa among dugan, sa taas nga higayon kita nagkauban. Buhi gihapon ka, bisan wala ka na, ikaw diligin na mo hikalimtan. Ayaw nakabala ka among higala, kabalo kami, ikaw uban na niya kasubuog kaguol. Wanong na walay dapat mangbasol sa imong pagkadisgrasya, magpabilin kang buhi sa among dughan, sa taas nga higayon kita nakauban. ikaw biligid na mo hikalimtan, magpabiling kang buhi sa among lughan, sa taas nga higayon kita nagkauban, buhi gihapon ka bisan